Hello friends, I'm Mazhar and we are learning today the shortcut trick to memorize within very short time, within seconds. You can easily remember the trigonometric formulae for the indefinite integration that the students do it, and they find it generally very uh, difficulty in remembering and recalling. So in today's video, we will just explore it, how you're going to do it. So let's just see it. I have written down this particular thing, integral sine x is equals to minus cos, which everyone know, integral cos x is sine x. So what do you have to do? You just have to recall and remember these two, just memorize these two, only these two. And with this and this one, the one which I've written on the extreme left on my board, that is secant and secant tan, cosecant, cosecant is cot. So what does it has to do with this one? We will just see it shortly now. See double functions and the single function that I have written. We will be, as I said, you just need to work it out with this one, and with that technique you can easily work out with the rest. So whereas when we look at this single one, what do you have to do over here is tan. For tan we know it is sine by cos, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this one. Sine by cos means I will write negative, okay, negative ln log, which we say modulus cos x, or you can easily write it as log mod secant x. We know the property of log, okay, when you shift it to the other side, to the base, you will get 1 by cos, which is secant. Next, coming to the cot, what you have to do, just apply, I mean for all the single functions, just remember the trick is apply log. So now since we haven't taken sine, because tan we know it is sine over cos, so first I took the sine function and I directly substituted as it is negative, so negative log with modulus, absolute mod. So again log, cot, the initial function will be like cos over sine, so that's why we will take the numerator one. So I'm writing only sine x plus c. Anyway, we have to attach to our answer because it's indefinite integration. Now coming to the single function with secant and cosecant, as I've written it separately. So if you see, as the double function goes, double functions in integral are added. So when it comes to the secant, we have these two. So what we will do is we will write ln, because as I said, single functions will have log, and then add the two, because if I keep it secant over here, I am left with the another two. That's why secant plus tan x. Isn't it very simple? So come on to the cosecant one now. If I've taken cosecant, I'm still left with these two. So since minus is there, apply minus log, just add up cosecant plus cot x plus c. That's how it is, very simple. You can just remember by working out with this one. Now coming to the double functions. In the double functions, see here, you have secant square. So basically secant and secant, if you take, you are left with tan. So that's simple it is. Just write tan x plus c. Coming to the cosecant square, see if you take cosecant and cosecant, you are left with only cot, since negativity is there. So apply negative cot x. Yep. Now integral secant and tan, students, you can easily work it out now. Secant and tan, if you take double functions, you are left with only one. That means secant x is your answer. Now cosecant tan, cosecant and tan, if cosecant and cot it is. So if you take cosecant and cot, again you are left with a single one, which is negative cosecant x plus c. That simple it is. You can easily remember and recall within no time. You can easily memorize this.